Oh, are you dizzy, pal? Oh. Are you dizzy, buddy?
Go get it.
Oh. He's not running into anything. You gotta do it. He runs into something. Oh, is he okay? He's confused. He's building a tolerance. He's trying to keep up with it.
Go get the other one. Drop it.
I think he likes playing this game with you.
Drop it.
That's a fuzz, nasty.
Threw it, you dumb shit. I don't have any more. Go get it. Go get it. No, I don't want that one. Where's the other one?
Go get it. No, we're not playing laser.
No. Go get it.
Oof, that was a good catch. Oh, did you see his head? Don't rip his teeth out. Ooh.